All right, we have a first alert weather day for Tuesday, another one on Thursday. And, Tuesdays looks like shovelable snow, but Thursdays, you may need the old snowblower back out and in business. So let's get to the details. Tuesday's light snow and wind will make its way through, but it will impact your Tuesday evening commute. That's when it looks to be most impactful. Thursday, another Thursday evening and Friday morning impact to the commute, but this one comes with significantly more snow and wind, and that'll be piled on top of Tuesday's snowy nonsense. Frigid cold for the weekend, and we're watching the track of another storm that appears to be shifting its way southward towards Sioux Falls and Minneapolis on Sunday. That too looks like a big storm system for us. Your hour-by-hour forecast tonight shows quiet conditions, flurries exiting off to the east, temperatures dipping into the teens and 20s. So cold tonight. Tomorrow morning, clouds on the increase, and you can't help but notice all the blue on the radar here out to the west. The James River Valley into Ellendale, seeing some snow in the morning. Now, as we go through the morning, I don't think it'll be too much of an impact to your morning commute, and the vast majority of us have cold conditions, but not snowy ones. As we go through the midday, it moves into the Red River Valley, so the heaviest of the snow, Red River Valley, points east. Look at the wind arrows starting to get colorful. That means stronger winds at around 25 miles per hour. So some horizontal snow flying through midday that continues across Lakes Country into the afternoon, and because it continues here longer, the potential for snowfall in these areas will be a little greater, as things will have wrapped up out to the west. Temperatures in the 30s all day for most areas. Snow clears out of here by the evening. And oh yes, by the way, how much will you have to sweep, shovel, or maybe snow blow? Here's a look at our thinking. 1 to 4 inches anywhere you see this light blue. So most of us are in that category. Here in Fargo-Moorhead, I am thinking a solid 2 inches is going to be likely for your evening commute. And then as we look into Lakes Country, we're talking Hawley, just a little bit off to the east of us into Dilworth, 3 to 5 inches in a few locations there. So we'll keep our eyes on that, but some snowy conditions for your Tuesday evening commute. Right now, look at what's going on in Grand Forks. A gorgeous setting sun on our day, 34 degrees, and a wind that's only 3, count them, 1, 2 C miles per hour. So we take a look at temperatures. We have 20s in central Minnesota and below freezing behind this white line here as well. That's the freezing line, holding on to mid-30s here in the Red River Valley. Look at our radar showing our showers of snow that were in our South Dakota counties. It's now shifted off towards Minneapolis. We're fairly quiet now while things get organized out to the west, and that's what we're expecting for tomorrow. Hey, an update. You're going to hear more about this on the national news. 7.4 magnitude earthquake measured off the Aleutian chain in Alaska. There is warnings for tsunamis in that area as well. So for us, let's talk about tomorrow in Fargo. 20s to start. The chances of snow increase, particularly in the midday hour. I think it will be the most blustery. And then that evening commute will have the full accumulation for many of us with temperatures in the 30s. The wind will be tapering off late with decreasing clouds as well. And snowfall in Fargo of around 2 inches going to be likely. Look at this. Temperatures in the 30s for most. We might sneak out a 40-degree reading. The afternoon forecast shows the best chance of snow in our far eastern counties. Now bonus coverage of Thursday's event. It is also a first alert weather day. This storm system comes with more wind. It's more prolonged all day Thursday into Friday morning snow, and it really will impact your Thursday night and Friday morning commutes. Gusty winds. Travel could get very difficult in places, particularly in open country, as we go through late Thursday into Friday morning. How much will this one bring? Well, the track and timing still a little bit suspect, but over 6 inches appears to be likely for a narrow band. So that's what we're painting for your weather picture. And as we shepherd in hopefully some warmer weather late, let's take a look at our forecast. First and foremost, a little quiet on Wednesday. That's good. Then Thursday, first alert weather day, a pretty significant weather impactful day there. And cold this weekend, Mike, as temperatures for some will be in the single digits in the morning on Saturday with some deep snow to clean up across the valley.
Busy week for a lot of us.
Yes.
All right, thanks.